Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Peugeot Rifter. This is the GT line specification, which gives you a lovely large panoramic glass roof. There's also full LED headlights, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this, you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. The 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine gives you 100 horsepower. It's done under 4,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.